What's up? What's up, peoples? What's up? What's up, Phantom? Emmanuel? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's this in the background? Hold on. What's goody, peoples? What's good? What's up, Benny? Rosie, what's up? What's up? How's you guys' mornings been so far? So far, so good, I hope. Man, what a push up on gold today. What a push. I do want gold to go further. I don't think I posted my daily analysis, so we'll do... Let me put the light on. Ooh, that's bright. There we go. So let's do a top down analysis on gold. All right, so daily, obviously we're very bullish. Now from the beginning of this week, I'm saying I'm bullish on gold, and I think this is going to be the new low right here. 45.25, 4,500. Daily's already broken yesterday's high, which is very bullish. For me, it's a bullish confirmation, especially when we break the prior day's high. So I think we do continue up. 4 hour. Now my only concern is this previous 4 hour candle. So the 7 o'clock 1 hour candle has no bottom wick. That's my only concern. But I think we can just drop, create that bottom wick, and then continue pushing up. That's kind of what if that happens, if we drop down there, I'm expecting gold to push back up anyway and not close below 4,700. So I wouldn't mind that. 1 hour, we've had a breakout, closure outside of this range. So so yeah, I think we pushed today. I think we continue pushing. Oh, targets. Let me give you some targets. So I think 4,800 just being a psychological level. I want to see gold retest 4,800. Above there, back to the highs from a couple weeks ago, back to 48, like the 48.50 area. That's where I'm looking for gold to push up to. Might not happen today, but I think maybe NFP tomorrow might give us that push. Yeah. I like it. What you guys' thoughts on the markets today? Pound yen. Now pound yen, even though we've had that yen news, the structure is still quite bullish for GJ. It's still quite bullish. We haven't really broken this last higher low, and we've just been ranging here. So if we, break these previous highs above this daily resistance, I think we can head back up. I'm gonna keep an eye on the fundamentals coming from the yen. Yep. Yeah, I just need some more information on GJ, but this range and stuff here, I'm not going to play in this range. Until I have a clear direction for where it's going to go, I'm not going to touch pound yen, I'll be honest with you. So yeah, how you guys, what's outside? How's your morning been, guys? Happy trading? Caught a slice of the buys up. Yes, yes. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. So did Will. So did Will in the Discord. So I just got an email. For the buys up, I do want gold to drop back a little bit more. I need a pullback before I can take more buys up. What we thinking today? It's in range mode. Yeah. Yeah. You think so? On little unemployment claims today. You think unemployment claims is gonna do something? I mean, the day before NFP, I think NFP, if anything, is gonna give us a move. I'm not, you know, it's Thursday. We do like a big Thursday move. Yeah, I think tomorrow we get the big news. NFP. The NFP gives us the move. Let's see, how big is today's daily candle already? 608 pips. Sorry guys, just sending a message. Ooh, gold pushing up still. I like the pullback that we had here. In fact, let me show the 4 hour. So on this 4 hour chart, No, the other 4 hour. I actually had all of these resistances marked out. I normally mark out every single one, and then whichever one breaks or holds, I delete the rest. So I had a resistance here, I had this one, closure above, and then this one here. But yeah, I think this one at the highest is probably the best one. Made a nice little bottom wick. I think we fill this wick and then keep pushing up, to be honest. Very bullish on gold. Also, guys, I believe they're talking about a peace agreement. So peace agreement, yeah. Agreements reached by Iran, USA on easing the blockade in exchange for a gradual reopen. It's not a complete end of the war, but it is a step in the right direction. I think that's also going to help with gold buys. What is this in the background? Something's playing. I'm gonna keep an eye on DXY as well. Yo, Nas has just been on a run. I haven't even updated my chart for Nas. But look, we put this fib on to get some targets, and we're nearly there, guys. We're nearly there. Even tapped into the 23.6, which means that we get to the 27 very quickly, the minus 27 very quickly. That's kind of how you play that. Well, you're not going to come back down for us to get back in? To get in? Crazy work. Oh, give me one sec. You want to pull back? Yeah, man, me too, me too, me too. Let's get it cracking. What if this resistance here holds? Hopefully not. Hourly candle holding at this little resistance here. I think we reach 4,800 today though. I do think we hit 48 today. Go on, give us a little closure above, a little sneaky closure above. No, Nah, it's not doing it for us. All right. Oh, what are we pushing now? Just gonna push. Oh yeah. I can't look at the 30-minute time frame though. Can't look at the 30-minute. I mean the 15-minute. It don't look good. Is my 15-minute don't look good right now? It does not. It does not. But I you know me, I can't use that for confirmations, man. 15-minute likes to cook me. It likes to cook me. Can't do it. Can't do it. Yeah, this looks like this resistance might actually be holding. What's happening, Will? You good? You might actually get that all back so we can catch the buyers up. You said 47.15, right? 47.15. Is it 47.15? I think that's the area. Ah, fair value gap. All good. Oh, 61.8 retracement. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. Okay. I really want gold to pull back though, just to get a bottom wick. Spliff, what's going on? Just to get a bottom wick on this 7 o'clock candle here. This one right here. No bottom wick. What price is that? Yeah, back to 4,700. Back to 47. Bottom wick and then fly back up. That would be ideal. Might be a lot to ask for though. I don't think it's a lot to ask for. I don't think it's a lot to ask for. Okay, so there's a lot of things going on in that area. Cool, cool, cool. That's good. The more things that can draw price back there, the better. Any news today? We've got unemployment claims in 30 minutes or 25 minutes. Yeah, unemployment claims, but it's that weekly news, so I don't know how much of an impact it's actually going to have on gold. I don't know if it does have a massive impact today. You might see a minor reaction, just a little small move, and then price continues. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, generally low. It is, yeah, exactly. I mean, it's orange folder as well. It's orange folder here too. But when you have NFP, like normally, I won't say the whole week of NFP, but the morning pre-NFP is usually quite rangy, especially if, like, yeah, I think I don't know if we get that big Thursday move today. I don't know if it comes today. I don't think we get that massive move. Where we going, gold? Where we going? You know what I've noticed? The moves that we get are usually just before London open. So around 5-6 o'clock. And then as London opens, it's just dead. Look, 6:30 we had a breakout and then continued up. 7:30, and it's kind of quiet there. Look, we break out 6. Yeah, the move comes. It's like once pre-London, we should already be in the move, I think. Looks like this resistance might actually be holding. Would love a pullback. Me and you both. So either a pullback to retest like Asian highs. Asian highs retest would be good. Or this support here, 47.29 or 4,700. If gold dips back all the way down to around 4,700 to come get this bottom wick, I would love that. Then I could look for some more buys up. I just hope we don't get that range like we did yesterday. Yesterday gold did not want to continue up. It did not want to keep pushing up. All of this price action here, just sideways. Yeah, that was pretty annoying. Looks like we might have to start trading Asian session, guys. That's when all the moves happen. Asian session to early London session. we're gonna break it. Push. Big push. Push out of the range. These candles here do not look great. These little wicks, these wick rejections. This does not look good. If we can get a wick fill, break the high, push above 47.57 is 4-hour resistance. Yeah, then I'm aiming for 48. I want 4800 first, just because it's that psychological level, and then I want gold to push back into, yeah, just keep pushing really. No, not gonna push, not gonna have a big breakout. We're struggling. There we go. Wick fill. Don't tell me this is all the pullback gold was gonna give right here. No way. No way. How's everyone's trading week been? GJ's thrown me off. Oh yeah, GJ's been... GJ, it hasn't been... I won't say GJ's been bad, but it has been very... It's had weird volatility. Like this day, like Monday, like what is this? What is this? Look at these sharp, there's very sharp drops. Very sharp drops on pound yen. And then we had a massive tank on Wednesday. Bear in mind, it's been a yen bank holiday for the past couple days. Yeah, it's not been great. Not been great. But for me, it's been not bad. Not bad. Slowly getting back into it. How about yourself? Gold drop back down. Quiet week for me. I've been more of an observer. I hear that. I hear that, Rosie. I hear that. No bangers yet. I know, man. I know. Like, the thing is, the ideas have been here. It's just the entries and the price action just hasn't been in, well, it hasn't been in my favor. Yeah, it just hasn't been the best price action for me, really. But Monday Asian session, and then we dropped. Oh yeah, Monday we were playing out that 4-hour double top, weren't we? Monday we played out the 4-hour double top right here. Didn't get the move on that. Didn't get the sells on that. Still looking for the buys, but anticipating we were going to come back down. We had this, we had a bottom wick that we needed that happened very early. But yeah, that price action was just a bit tough. But then it's just been buying since 4,500. You know, I always say, oh, imagine if I had bought from here and held. Imagine if I got in here. I've been saying that since gold was at 2,000. But there's no way I would hold a trade for years. Could you imagine? I couldn't even imagine what that would be like. Holding a trade for years. I know how people do it. Just adding positions. Said that yesterday. Well, oh, imagine holding. Oh yeah, yeah. Even your trade today. Imagine holding your trade today. I try not to do that to myself. I really try to not to do that. Not to say, oh, if I had held, I would have had X amount of money or X amount of pips. As long as you get out where you planned, it's a good trade. It's a good trade. But it's hard not to. It's hard to do it though. It's hard to say, I wish I held. It's hard not to say that. What do you reckon, guys? Are we gonna leave a top wick like this, like the ones to the left, or are we gonna push through this zone? Feel this 4-hour top wick. 41 minutes left. Stagnant, yeah, man. I say it. I saw it. I saw it all the time and never hold more than an hour. I mean, say it. I wish I held. No, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Alright, 10 minutes. We may actually get a breakout. An hour, that's an eternity in gold, man. A lot can happen in an hour in gold. Look at this hour candle. Look at this one. Look at this hour candle. $480 pips. 180 pips in an hour. It's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All you need is 1 hour. 1 hour, one big move. You're good. I'm holding US 30 from NY close yesterday. Oh, nice. How's US 30 doing? Where's US 30? What's your TP? Where do you think US 30 is going? I think all of these indices are just going to the moon. Especially now they're talking about this ending the war. I think they're gone. They're gone. Minute time frame. uh, 5094. Okay, kind of like a wick feel. Like to come back up to this top wick. Okay, nice. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. Okay. Oh, now gold wants to come down. All right, Goldie. Yeah, this resistance is holding, so we are going to leave a little top wick like the ones to the left. That's why you always have to look left, guys. You always have to look left. Gotta look left, to the left. Alright, how far are we dropping now? I don't necessarily want to hold. I just want to pass my challenges. Yeah, when you have targets you want to hit, it makes that missing out on trades or missing out on pips just a little bit, just feel a little bit worse. So is this a fake out? I wasn't sure if gold wanted to come down a bit more, especially when we came back and like pretty much retested Asian highs. When we came down to this area and pushed back up, I thought, all right, we might just play around above the Asian range and then push. But these top wicks here, the rejections, no good, no bueno. 47.35, maybe 37.29 if that area still holds. Let's see how far back we drop. And then look, 4 hour. If this 4 hour doesn't fill this wick, I I think the next 4 hour gives us a bit more of a pullback, because we want the 4 hours to be breaking highs, respecting lows, breaking highs. But if we can't even get close to this high, it's no good. Just leave a little note here so it makes sense, otherwise it's just a random arrow. Bottom wick. Nah, you put a banger this morning though, Will. 210 pips. Yeah, you're nice. That was a nice move, man. That was a nice move. Smokey, what's happening? What's happening? How you been, Smokey? How you been, man? All good? Interviewing like every day? Oh man. Do you work for like an agency or something? Good luck with that. Hope it goes well. Hope you find something. Hope you find something ASAP. Was just shy of my TP, so closed it. Was making breakfast for the babe, so couldn't keep my eye on it. Ah. You know how much times I've been in a trade and it's got close to my TP and I've just left the charts, or it's been heading towards my TP and I'm so confident I've left the charts and like it's pulled back on me or something. That is the worst, I'm telling you. Shoot, anything profit is profits. I hate this part of the day where gold is slow. I really don't like this part. It has all this energy not that long ago, and then when it comes to NY, it's just chills. It's like, now's the time I'm gonna slow down. Appreciate it. Now just for those I've applied for, got a third space interview today. Okay, cool. Cool. Good luck. I'm gonna pray for you. What's it like looking for jobs nowadays? I feel like I've been out the job market for so long. All right, so we held below this resistance. Are we going to get the pullback now, since we've got a nice bearish candle right here? How far we come back, or are we just going to shoot up? Because it kind of looks like a continuation pattern. Can't wait to be out of the job market for good. It's a sham, man. I used to get really good bonuses in my job, my last job, because I was a manager. So if I hit my quarterly targets, I would get a really good bonus. It'd be like £1,000 bonus. And yeah, and then one time, I don't know how it came up, but whatever happened, I looked at my pay slip and I had a fat deduction. Like, the deduction was so crazy, it wasn't even worth me getting a bonus. My deduction was so big, it was more than my part-timers' wages. That's when I knew the job market was a scam. I was like, I've grinded. Do you know what I mean? As a team, obviously we worked hard, but I was just thinking, after all of this work I've put in to get this £1,000, and I'm only seeing like 750 because half of it has been, half my wages has been deducted. I was like, this is BS. This is BS. Crazy work, crazy. Oh, look, continuation pattern played out real nice. Tax is the worst, man. Don't even get me started. Yes, it did. Look at that. Let me get rid of this box. Yes, we just got a little pullback there for the resistance. Wick coming, maybe? John, how are we? Man, I don't feel like bonuses should not be part of your tax. Like, you've earned that. That should be separate. Don't tax my bonus. Come on, gold. All it needs to do is just fill this wick. That's it. Just fill the wick. Just fill the wick. Fill the wick. 47.53. That's it. Just fill it. Fill it. Fill it. Fill it a little bit. Gold bullish to TP. I've shared in Discord. Yes, let's check that out. Let me see what you got going on. Let's do that. Is this the right one? What's your TP? Did I pull up the right one? What's your TP, John? 48.29, I presume. Is it 48.29? If it is, I'm with you. I'm with you on that. Let's all hit buy at the same time and just, you know, push gold. Our retail accounts. Alright, this 4 hours about to close. The blue line up top, yeah, got you, I got you. So 48.29. Perfect. Where's my lines? 4 hour. I want gold to come to 4,800, to be fair. 4,800, maybe a little reaction, a little pullback from there, and then continue up. Wow, gold, man. Gold's playing in this area. It kind of is, but you know what? One thing I don't usually like is if I want, say I want buys, I don't want the candle to open and buy straight away. If I want to take some buys, I want the candle to open, sell first, and then towards like maybe when there's 10-15 minutes left of the candle, then I want it to push up. Do you know what I mean? And then continue. I feel like if we move up first, we have maybe the rest of the candle to pull back down, which I don't want, of course. But then I do want it to drop a little bit just so I can get the buys up from a good price. I don't want to buy at the highs. I don't want to buy at the highs. See what I mean? Like we get the push, we break these previous highs, and then we start pulling back. And we still haven't cleared. We haven't gone clear of this area too, which is not great. But we'll see. We'll see how this new 4-hour candle, what this current 4-hour candle closes in the next 22 minutes. Go on, give us a good push. What's the 1 hour looking like? I mean, 1 hour looks really good to continue up though, guys. 1 hour looks good. Ooh. Back to work. All right, Will. Peace out. Peace out. Good luck. If you take any trades today. Wishing you many profits. Many pips. Now 1 hour looks super clean, man. Doesn't it? Doesn't it? Or is it just me? Expecting lows, breaking highs. Come on, give us the wick fill. It's like 60 pips away. 60 pips away on the wick fill. Watching these candles are just mesmerizing sometimes. Honestly, think I'm gonna start trading higher time frames for the peace of mind. Listen, as long as you're trading, there's no such thing as peace of mind. Let's just be realistic here. Let's just be realistic. Peace of mind goes, you sacrifice your peace of mind as soon as you decide to be a trader. That's it. You're cooked. Cooked now. That's it. You've chosen a life of cookery. I swear. Man, let me choose a profession that's, you know, I have to be extra disciplined and shit. Mind games. Yo. I mean, imagine, like, you know, there's certain jobs you could have where you just go to work, do your job, get paid, come home. When you're a trader, and it doesn't matter what market you trade, you have to be aware of all of the you're facing a lot of manipulation. You're facing big companies doing the madness, the president of the US, your government doing the madness. Brexit, oh my god. During Brexit, the way pound yen was swinging up and down, the pound in general, GU, GJ, man. Yeah, we're cooked. We have to get in the kitchen every morning. Listen, cook or be cooked. You're either the egg or the pan. Oh man, eat or be breakfast. It's crazy that I chose not to pursue investment banking because of the stress levels and got addicted to trading. Oh yeah, you're super cooked. Do you know what? My cousin's wife is in investment banking, or something to do with that, and it's like really good money. But she said her job's super easy. Like, I don't think she even started as an investment banker. She started as like secretary or something, and then ended up just doing really well, getting the clients, moving up. So now she does that really well. But yeah, I think managing people's money is probably hard though, because I say it's hard, but I think in that kind of position, if you're in investment banking, I guess you'd have to build a lot of relationships with company. There has to be some type of insider trading. I watch too many films. That's how a lot of these things work, I think. You know someone, pass info around, you hear things. It might not even be just insider trading, but just word on the street. CEOs leaving, expansions, XYZ. Alright, gold is gone. So we're getting the Wick fill on the 4 hour. So we either push above this 4 hour high right here, or we sweep the high and then pull back. I would prefer it kept going, because what I would want it to do is keep pushing, close above this resistance, and then the next candle give me a little bottom wick and then keep pushing up. I don't really want it to hold at this 4 hour resistance. If it holds below there, I think we could I think we could get a bigger pullback. I don't really want a massive pullback if we're gonna stay bullish. Sorry, let's move the chart back. Well, we're gonna keep an eye on this 4-hour candle right here. Our new 15-minute candle opened as well. Oh, that's not where I want it. This looks good. This looks good. Little 15-minute closure above. Benny, is that you? There's inside trading. Oh, 100%. 100% there's inside trading, of course. I think there's insider trading with every market, to be honest. I mean, look at... So I don't know, like, if you guys keep up with people like CoffeeZilla. Let me see if I can show you. CoffeeZilla, he does a lot of reporting on just trading stuff. Let's see. CoffeeZilla, my guy CoffeeZilla and Voidzilla. This guy's too funny, man. Alright, you guys see this? CoffeeZilla. So he does a lot of he's so funny. He does a lot of stuff on people that are scamming. So he'll talk about, you know, when Trump's doing certain tweets. So this is the CoffeeZilla page. I think he has another page as well. That's it. Voidzilla. Yeah, look. Yeah, he covers like Melania Coin and...
It was copied on an email.
Oh shoot, I didn't mean to play that. I meant to go next. I will check out his pages though. I will check out. He was one of the main people that exposed what's that guy that had that crypto exchange, FTX? What's that guy's name? Why is his name gone out my head? I keep thinking Sam Altman, but it's not. But it was like initials, like SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried. He was one of the first people to break that guy was doing something. Oh, Alex G. Alex G is another one. No, Sam Bankman-Fried. If you want to watch another guy that's hilarious for him, this guy right here, Iman Trading. This guy is hilarious. Hilarious. He exposes mad fraudsters. So many fraudsters. ICT, TJR. He's got something with Alex G. When Alex G did that $1,000 to $1 million or something stupid like that. Yeah, Iman Trading. Hilarious. Yeah, man. So you gotta be serious in this market, man. I don't know why people are flexing demo accounts. Wild to me. Wild to me. Sorry, I got a little message there. Alright guys, where are we looking to get in? Where are we looking to get in? It's all marketing, they faking it and making it at the same time. Man. What's happening, Carl? Yeah, man, all good. You see that guy, Side Trades, says he makes millions, never posts losses. I think I've heard of him. Is he the guy that has all the tattoos on his face? Mamba Effects? No, it's not Mamba Effects. I know Mamba Effects though. A lot of these guys blew up just like, I would say pre-COVID. Daniel Savage, all those guys. Daniel Savage came out and he says he turned to God, became very Christian, had a kid, and then wanted to talk about how he faked everything, how he all the cash that he was flashing was from his father-in-law's car wash that he was taking to the bank. He would act like his trading profit. Yo, it's a crazy game. It's a crazy game. Very crazy game. Trade with Sai. That's it. Trade with Sai. Let me see. I did see a very funny video about him the other day. Hold on. You know what? I'm not gonna knock no one's hustle, but it just seems very unrealistic. Meanwhile, gold is coming back down. This guy. This shit is too funny, I say. People really out here believing that this guy is trading a real account. This was literally, I believe this was Monday, guys, when we was looking for, where we wanted gold to hit 4,500 and then push up, like complete that double top. Yeah, he hit sells, and then obviously gold took off on that Iran news. But yeah, man, crazy work. They got an editor that edits these platforms that trick people. That's why, because of fraud, that's why MT5 isn't allowed in the US for people like him doing stuff like that. There's a few people that have been caught out. Alex G is one of them that does that, fakes trades. If you have a broker, a white label, and it doesn't cost much to get one, them account it's not real. It's definitely not real. You're right. Yeah, like if I had my own broker, if I had like a massive platform and I said to people, you know, join and blah blah blah, I could actually go inside and manipulate the trades that I'm showing you that I've taken, which is, it's just such a bad business. It's such dirty work. That's what the broker pays the top guy to fuck people up. Yes, of course, they get commissions from it. As long as you're bringing money to their company, they're gonna do whatever you want. How's your US 30 doing actually? Didn't even look. Might be waiting for market open. Right, are we gonna get a closure above? We're gonna get a closure above this resistance, but we're not quite filling this wick. I can hear music. Something coming from my other headphone. Yep, pull back here. Yep. If you get a trade this morning on gold, I'll jump in the passenger seat with you. I want the buys, but I want this candle to, I need some structure now. This is good. All right. See, look how this 4 hour didn't fill this top wick. Definitely expecting gold to come back down. This is good. Also wanted gold to close above this resistance. Didn't quite get there, so I'm thinking retest of 47.29. If gold can come to 47.29, like right here, and hold, I would like the buys up again. I would hit buy. I would hit buy right there. Alternatively, yeah, no, I think we come down some more. I was gonna say if this candle pushes back up, flips bullish, breaks this high, I would get in, but I kind of want gold to clear this 4 hour wick to the left. Not much of a top wick on this 4 hour too. Dude, do you know what? I totally missed the little news that we had. Unemployment claims. Good numbers. Good numbers, and gold pushed up. That is the opposite of what it's supposed to do for that news, but hey, we move. Hope we don't get a later move today. Oh, you and me both. You and me both. It's a nice pullback though. It looks like we're dropping a bit, but this is good. This is good. Come for the support. 47.29. This is good. Oof. Big bottom wick for this new 4 hour candle. Big bottom wick. Now we broke that previous 30-minute low. Ash, what's up? What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? Damn, we broke the low. Chilling. You know, we want the gold buys, but we want a good entry. Gold is over here playing games. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. Look, we're not filling wicks all the way. We're stopping short. New 4 hour candles are just opening and dropping like 140 pips. I feel there is strong manipulation move going on, so I'm very uncomfortable trading gold. Yeah, I think if you are trading gold, just be very, very strict with your rules. Be very, very strict. Like whatever strategy that you use, be very strict on it. I mean, don't say, you know, I usually wait for this, but this time I'm gonna take it. No, make sure you follow all your rules. Don't break nothing, because yeah, this is a cowboy market. That's me, fuck then. Nah, of course not. We're gonna sort you out some rules, man. You'll be good. You'll be golden. Be golden. The thing is, I think a lot of people, when they start trading and you watch the charts for long enough, you will see things that happen over and over again. You will see repeatable price action. If you can like put that into some notes, or you can remember it, you write it down, you have it somewhere where you can say, when I see this usually happens, or you know, this looks familiar to me, you know, and then this is what happens after I see that. If you can lock that down and then just work on that, I think, yeah, people will be a lot better traders than they think they are. You trade a lot better than you think. But if you're not sure at the beginning, yeah, it's just being unsure. But you build confidence by doing stuff that's familiar to you. It's like, you know, that's how it is with learning anything. You have to go over it, repeat it, you know, study it, and then when you know it, half the time it can be off the top of your head. I used to look at my old trades every day. Yeah, see, even just doing that. I always recommend people collect pictures of their charts, pictures of trades on their charts. Train your eyes to see it. Know what you're looking for, what works. Big on that. You know what I mean? Playbook. Exactly. That's a huge part. It will help you trade what looks familiar. Exactly. Ali, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. What are you looking for today, Ash? Are you in these cells? This drop happened very quick. But this drop happened very, very quick. Oh, okay, that's jobless claims. Grabbed a quick sell. Yeah, I know you did. I know you did, Ash. I know you did. Lebanon presidency seeks to discuss a final cessation of hostilities agreement between Lebanon and Israel. Gold selling today. I think I'm selling now. Oh, you think gold's selling? Do ya? I know. US effort to reduce the Israeli escalation in preparation for establishing a ceasefire to move to the second negotiating step. I'm bullish on gold, especially if they're I'm bullish on gold, especially if they're talking about peace, not peace, but peace agreements on like the war is not, I won't say it's ending completely, because I don't think it's just going to end completely just like that, but if they're reaching agreements and signing deals with each other, I think that's, yeah, it's been bullish for gold. Anytime they say something about peace and de-escalation and agreements, it's been bullish. Yeah. Because all the war news has been bullish. You've got the interest rates, like the government monetary policy is bullish on gold, and also this war stuff has been bullish for gold too. That's why we're having these pushes up. But let's look here. Look, agreements reached by Iran USA on easing the blockade in exchange for a gradual reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. Oh yeah. Look. Come on, look, girl. Look, low bottom wick. Right here. We ready. We peeped that. We on that. We on that. Did you notice the last strong daily bear candle closed on Monday before the bullish push? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. This is where that 4-hour double top played out. And price bounced off 4,500 and then just pushed up. Oh, yeah. I'm not selling right now, no. I'm looking for gold to retest like a support. So if 47.29, if this here holds, I'm looking for buyers. If gold comes back to this, in fact, this whole area here, Asian highs and this little resistance here. If gold breaks below here, I want to see what happens in this area. If it comes lower, then I'm looking at down here, Asian lows. Yeah, but that would be, if it sells, I just want to see this candle here, grab a bottom wick, and then push back up. Funny enough, it's actually the IC markets 4-hour candle opening right here. So this is also like a 4-hour candle with no bottom wick. If it doesn't happen today, maybe tomorrow. We do have NFP tomorrow as well. We do have NFP. But for right now, I am bullish on gold. We have barely a top wick on this 4-hour candle. Barely a top wick here. I think we need to get a bit more of a top wick. A bit more. Come on, it's a little bit lower. Right, was that a quick pullback? Was that just the 4-hour bottom wick? Or was that the beginning of some more sells? What was that? What is that? Hey, what's happening, Rich Raff? Good, good. What are you looking for today? I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Very blessed. 4700 TP hit. What, you were in some buys earlier? Or some sells earlier? You kind of hold for long though, don't you? You're a holder. Buys, yes. Okay. Do you think price will push down again to retest or take out that daily low, taking out retail buyers before a bigger upside push? Do you think the weekly will close bullish? Okay. Let me break that down. Do you think the price will push down to retest, take out that daily low? I think if gold was gonna drop back down to 4,500, NFP would be the kind of news that would do that. But NFP doesn't, like these days, NFP is not moving gold to 2,000 pips. To give you more info, but Discord restricted my account. Yeah, you got to look into that. I've never heard of Discord restricting people's accounts. That is rough. And I've got 2 Discords. I've got 2 Discords. I don't know what you was doing on there. I don't know what you was doing over there. Alpha Raf. He's up to no good, huh? Walk away from the laptop. Miss Wagwan still on the side. Yeah, still waiting. I think this 4-hour candle's just making a bottom wick. Never chat on Discord. Oof. Yeah, that's messed up, man. It's messed up. Yeah, I would reach out to them. I would reach out, see what's happening. So yeah, this new 4-hour candle just opened and it had a massive drop down. 180 pips just straight down. So I'm thinking if it flips bullish, breaks the high here, I think we get a push up. Just cautious about buying into this 4-hour resistance. 47.57. That's manipulation. Yeah, something. There's something I don't like. Please go onto the 15-minute or 1 hour. I can look to see something. There you go. What you got going on? Okay, look what I'll do. This is what I'll do for you. Boom. There you go. It's the 1 hour and the 15. There you go. I really like the flip of this candle. It pushes up. He smashed a banger this morning in Discord. 210 pips. Yeah. We was talking about it with him earlier. He said he closed a little bit, like slightly before his TP, but yeah, banger nonetheless. Very nice trade. Very nice trade. Very nice. Yeah, he caught a big move this morning. If this 30-minute closes above this resistance and with a small bearish body, we may have a continuation pattern up here. We may have a continuation pattern here. You're seeing it? What am I seeing? I'm seeing some buys. That's what I want. Nas. Know what happens if Nas starts going up? Ooh. See how this closes. Continuation patterns looking real good. Looking real good. Yeah, I like buys. I do like the buys. Continuation pattern right here. Ooh, it's gonna flip and push. Oh, I don't want it to flip without us. Wait for us. Wait for us. Yeah, if we break this high, I like it. Mind you, this manipulation may just swing lows because it's Thursday. Profit taking starts today. We do get some big moves on a Thursday. We love that. On flip or drive. Setting up, it's setting up. Are we in some here? Push, push. Oh, I didn't quite. Gotta go. Have a couple. Alright, man. No problem. No problem. We outie. We gone. We break those highs. Gone. Alright, so it's got to break 57 and that's it. We're gone. Oh yeah, we outie. We outie. Yeah, this once we broke this high here, once like this here, let me show you guys. This was a real clean move. This is a real clean move. Da, 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 da. Big. You see this? Perfect. Closure above the resistance. You get the continuation candle. Then you just get in as soon as price breaks those highs. Put the stop loss right below that candle. Gone. Literally this right here. Yeah, that was a nice move. Actually pushed to about 70 pips. Yeah, it's if you did take it, yeah, I'll just be careful of this 47.57, this 4-hour resistance. That's what I was talking about. Bum, 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 bum. Look, GJ. Ugh. Nas is chilling, waiting for the big push. All right. Alright, guys, I gotta wait for a pullback, man. I need a pullback. But this was a nice move though, right here. This was a nice move. But yeah, I gotta end early today. I tried to start a little bit earlier. Trying to start a little bit earlier. Let's see what this other 4-hour time frame's looking like. So look, notice the 4-hour without that bottom wick, man. We broke that previous 4-hour high. I think we're good to keep going up. I think we're good to keep going up. At least to 47.68 if we can keep moving and shaking. But yeah, guys, I will be in the Discord for the next 30 minutes or so. Got some things to sort out quickly. Yeah, appreciate you for joining. Tomorrow we have NFP. I'm actually looking forward to NFP. Not as much as I used to, because we don't get the movement that we got before. But they're expecting really low numbers. 65k. Well, it's been low numbers. Yeah, interesting. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the Discord. If not, then I will see you guys tomorrow. Mañana. But have a great rest of the trading day. If you're not in the Discord, and just be careful out here. Be careful out here. I still want gold buys. Still want gold buys. So hopefully I can catch a nice entry. But yeah, I think gold is heading up. Yeah, I'll be in the Discord. I'm looking for, really what I want is a retest of this support. I did want to pull back before gold continued up, to be honest. But if we close how we're closing now, gold comes back down, retest this resistance, then I'll be getting in off a retest of this resistance here. Like I'd literally, as long as it stays above here, because I want a level to be retested, like something like that. But I want I'm anticipating 4800 today. If gold can make it, I'm anticipating 48. Frenchie, what's goody? What's goody? I'm just about to get off, girl. But how's the markets treating you? How's the market treating you? I do like these NAS buys. Then Spliff, you hit TP. Spliff must have hit TP. It got to your TP, right? And then dropped. Look at that. Great week so far though. Yes, love that. It's been a quiet week for me. I've been chilling, I ain't gonna lie. There's too much manipulation in golds. Trump and this war news, it's just been ridiculous. It's been ridiculous. But when I catch a move, it's gonna be a banger. It's gonna be a banger. Already know. Speaking it into existence, you know? I think tomorrow I'll get, if I don't catch something today, which I think I will, to be honest, then tomorrow definitely for NFP. Yeah. But I don't really like when there's a lot of news anyway. I'm not really a fan of the mad news. It new today. Well done, Spliff, man. Well done. W trades. Now you caught a nice move. Yeah, so I'm not too sure about US 30, you know. Look, NAS is going up, and then US 30 is just doing this shit. Why is this coming down and NAS is coming up? It's why I like NAS, because it's not like US 30 or S&P. Nas just does its own thing. Do you know what I'm saying? It does its own thing. It's its own little beast. Yeah, I rock with that. I rock with that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Have a great trading day. Hope you all catch some trades and some pips and some profits. You know, don't be greedy. Get your pips and leave. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.